Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Shardar Mehreen. I'm a third semester student of Computer Science and Engineering at Northern University, Bangladesh. There is a taboo. Computer science isn't for girls. Today I'm here to break the taboo and let you know why CSE is a powerful choice for women. Why should a woman choose CSE? What inspires and what opportunities do CSE have for women? We live in a world that's increasingly digitalizing, and CSE has been heart of the transformation. In that case, you can say that from artificial intelligence to cybersecurity, from software development to data analysis, CSE opens doors for a lot of highly paid jobs worldwide. And for women, it's just not a promising career, it's empowering. And it gives opportunities to women to work remotely. And apart from that, you can say that women get an opportunity to work with innovation. And choosing CSE is choosing a future where your ideas can build real-world solutions. And coming to gender equalization, women are already been seen in CSE helping with tech in different sectors like healthcare, education, safety, and sustainability. Apart from that, a lot of women in CSE field are inspiring the new generation of young girls to dream bigger. At Northern University, Bangladesh, we are breaking stereotypes every day. Our department, Computer Science and Engineering, isn't just about computers, codes, or assignments. We are also working on the curriculum. It's more about management, building new innovation, and working and coping up with both genders. What makes our department special isn't just the curriculum, it's our environment. It's inclusive, it's collaborative, it's full with possibilities. Our female students are encouraged to take lead roles, like leading a project or presenting our university at different national and international competitions. Now let's talk about what NUB provides. NUB provides modern labs, supportive faculties. Our faculty members are just not teachers, they are our mentors, and our alumni network incredibly strong. And graduates from our university, our department, are already working at renowned IT firms and startups. Whether you're interested in programming, curious by cybersecurity, or fascinated by robotics, or even if you're into management or leadership, there's a wing for you. And that's our club, our most vibrant club, which is the Northern University Bangladesh Computer Club. The club organizes hackathons, seminars, coding contests, and a lot of other activities, which actually helps us to specialize in our sectors. Now, if you say that what are females specializing in these sectors? Females are actually being put into core roles in our club so that there's a gender equalization. Every semester, I see more girls of our department stepping into labs, competition, and leadership roles, and they're absolutely owning it. Now, that's progress, that's change, and it's happening right here at NUB. So anyone watching this right now, whether you're a student or a parent who's thinking if tech is for everyone or not, you can take NUB as an example, which says yes, it is. Because we are learning to break stereotypes and we're building real-world solutions. Thank you, everyone.